Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now I want to give the clear information regarding the differences between the forward and backward reasoning. What is the meaning of forward and backward reasoning? Okay, so this forward and backward reasoning is nothing but a searching procedure from initial to goal state and goal to initial states. We are establishing a path between the initial and goal states and from goal to initial states. Okay, the two directions that we are going to use from initial to goal, that is called as the forward direction, and from goal to initial, that is called as the backward direction. Okay, forward searching which starts from the start state, and whereas the backward searching which starts from the goal state. Initial state is the goal state in the backward searching. Okay, normally the production system use the forward and backward as the symmetric processes. We see diagrammatically how these two states can be represented. Let us see in this diagram. Here it is starting state. Okay, so here it is the starting state and it is the goal state. So all are see in which direction all are moving towards the goal direction. So hence goal oriented direction. Hence this forward search is called as the goal driven direction or goal driven reasoning. Whereas in the backward direction, see how the search is starting from, all are reaching towards the goal to the initial state. That means they are searching towards the data. So whatever rules we have find based on the rules to data, it is forwarding. Okay, the reasoning is forwarding towards the data motion or towards the data side. So that's why it is called as the data driven. Okay, goal to initial state, this direction is moving towards. Hence it is called as the data driven. Like this, the forward and backward reasoning are successfully implemented in the reasoning. One is the forward and another one is the backward reasoning. Both are the symmetric processes actually. Okay, so we are establishing the reasoning and we are establishing the path between the initial to goal. So that's why it is called as the forward, and from goal to initial it is called as backward, like this. Okay, so in the coming video we talk about some more things. If at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all.